Unraveling the meaning of long black. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English phrases and uncover the meaning behind the term long black. By the end of this video, you'll understand its origins, usage, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Let's get started. When you hear the words long and black separately, you might think of something that's extended in length and is black in color. Long generally refers to something that has considerable length, while black is a color that is the darkest due to the absence of or complete absorption of light. However, when these two words come together as long black, they take on a different meaning altogether. Long black is a term that originates from Australia and New Zealand. It's not about color or length in the literal sense. Instead, it refers to a style of coffee. A long black is made by pouring a double shot of espresso over hot water. This method retains the crema from the espresso, which is the thin layer of foam on top of the espresso. The result? A strong, aromatic coffee with a significant amount of water compared to a regular espresso, but less than an Americano. Now that you're familiar with its meaning, here are some ways you can use long black in your daily conversations. 1. I'd like a long black with a dash of milk, please. 2. After a long day, a long black is just what I need to rejuvenate. 3. If you prefer your coffee strong but not too concentrated, try a long black. There you have it. Long black is not just a combination of color and length but a delightful coffee drink from down under. The next time you're at a cafe, why not give it a try? We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep brewing your knowledge, and until next time, happy learning.